Many organizations are drowning in data, yet starving for insights. Siloed, fragmented, and hard to access, vast corporate knowledge is left untapped. Sound familiar? The rise of GenAI marks a watershed moment for organizational knowledge management that cuts across sectors, markets, and continents. In the United States, Squirro gives government officials, legislators, and members of the public a smarter way to search, streamlining data access for up to 10,000 users and helping them solve over 1,500 problems each day. In Germany, our platform gives Henkel, a global manufacturing powerhouse, unified access to critical information scattered across more than a dozen internal data platforms and external patent databases, earning outstanding feedback from its users. And in Singapore, we've helped a major bank speed up client and project document retrieval using semantic search, slashing the time needed to access data from 1 hour to 3 minutes, saving each user hundreds of hours each year. The Squirro Enterprise GenAI platform lets you harness all your corporate knowledge, accurately and reliably. Transform your organization's knowledge management with precision-engineered AI and GraphRag. Learn more at squirro.com.